Laverda 3550. Refurbishment going well. We are restoring it to its newness. Everything looking perfect. Guys are busy here. It's gonna be done in a few days time, precisely in less than 72 hours. So if you can get in touch with me now, I'll give you a good price, because now when it gets finished, the price will be higher. Anyone who is gonna pay for it while it's like this, a big discount for you. Everything looking perfect, the restoration going well, and you can see it's gonna be looking new in a very short space of time.